Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing as well as sharing it with you the gifts that I got from my SA for the Lunar New Year event. So here are some of the items. I went to the store, I went to the event, and I was hoping to get this particular item. It was just recently released. And for some reason, that particular item were completely sold out the entire United States. I'm not sure what it means they sold out, or maybe a lot of people has already been pre-ordered for that particular item, but I am not sure. My essay were telling me that I cannot pre-order that particular item. And I'm actually speaking to the Nano Speedy, the new version of the Nano Speedy. I was hoping to see that at a store actually, and I was told that you cannot pre-order the item, as well as it's not at the store. So anyway, maybe I was just hoping that eventually in the next few days they have it in the store, and I'm so excited to add that in my collection. So anyway, here I've actually picked up several items at the store, and I won't be showing all of those in this video because some of the items actually deserve to have the video of its own, so that you'll be able to you'll be able to get a closer look of the particular item. But this item is part of the Lunar New Year collection, and for the Lunar New Year, oh my gosh, it is so hard to get hands on any of the Lunar New Year collection, especially this item. So here's the item. It came in with this box right here, and okay, and it is a oh my gosh, it is a scarf. And when I saw this, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, and I totally love the print of this. This has been sold out. I tried to get this online, but it is impossible to get any of the Lunar New Year collection online. I'm so happy that I have my essay that keeps an eye on the items that I have on my wish list, and this is the only one that I've got like at least 7 on my wish list, but this is the only one that became available, and it is truly what I wanted. So I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a closer look and a detailed of this piece right here. The print, this one is so beautiful. So this one, they actually call this one the Precious Tiger Square 70 centimeter. So the equivalent of that is around like 27.6 inches by 27.6 inches. So this one is quite big right there. I totally love the print, the tiger right there, all the all over monogram right there. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty right there. This one is actually hand rolled. Yes, it is. Right here, this one is hand rolled, and for some reason this particular piece is, this is not double-sided. So this side is, it is not double-sided. And this one is made up of 100% silk. Wow, really soft, really silky, of course. And the print is so vivid, which I love. There is a lot of colors right there on the side, and we also have the Louis Vuitton signature logo at the bottom. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. The tiger looks so amazing. It's like the tiger is so cute. You know, I've actually seen a lot of, well, it is a year of the tiger. I've actually seen a lot of animations around in several fashion houses, but for some reason, Louis Vuitton is my only favorite, really. So the color for this piece is more likely has a little bit like pink, like a pale pink color right there. And just totally love the variation, a lot of variations of colors. Wow. So this is actually part of the new Chinese New Year collection. They have a lot of several items. I don't really quite understand because we've tried to order several items like bandeaus before it was released, but it got canceled. That's because before it was launched, it's already been sold out. We tried, but it was completely sold out. So I was a little bit like surprised. I was totally astonished knowing that it hasn't been released and it's sold out. And during the launch, it's like there's nothing else left. I have no idea. Literally have no idea. Even my essay was telling me that my essay tried to order it. It was successfully ordered, but later on it got canceled. So they could not fulfill that. Usually with that, you have to wait at least 15 days. And usually in less than 15 days, they were able to fulfill that request, the order. But with this particular collection, we did try to request and it was canceled and I got refunded. So now I am moving on to the new collection, which is the Nano Speedy, the new one that the strap is detachable, and also the vachetta is aged vachetta. I would say it's I think the vachetta for that one is already been patinaed, which is quite interesting. And yeah, I also received some goodies during the event. This is a personal letter from my essay. And also I got an extra ones. This one is actually empty. I just got this one for myself. And it is gorgeous. Totally love that right there, the tiger. It says Louis Vuitton. And also I got this. Let me show you this one first. So yeah, this is the ribbon for the Lunar New Year this year. Wow, the ribbon is so cute. Right here. Yeah. Oh wow, it's very nice actually. So this is a very, very nice ribbon for the Lunar New Year. You know, guys, then you know why I'm showing this with you, because you know I love packaging, so that's why. And very, very lovely. This one is very shiny, and I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. So it is Chinese New Year, so I could not read that because I am not Chinese, but this seems to look like it's very nice. Maybe it's Gong Hee Fat Choi, or I have no idea actually. So yeah, so this is what I've got. I think they gave me two, so that's the other one right there. It is actually just the same. And also I got this one right here, and also this one is, let me show you what I've got. This is the Maison Fondi in 1862, and I got the La Jure Paris. So I guess maybe some of you are familiar with this, but I know La Jure is actually they are the world's best seller of this particular delicacies. So I'm gonna open this. I think this is their Lunar New Year packaging. So my essay got me this, and it is a macaroons. So it is a macaron right here. Actually, they look so delicious with the different colors right there. So yeah, I was so happy. I was so glad that he even surprised me with this thing. And also this one right here, the box right here below this, the larger and this one are the same. So he actually gave me two. I don't know why, but let me show you. Okay, how do I do? Okay, so okay, let me just take out some of the items here. And I got, so this is how it opens. I thought, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna give you a closer look right there. Very nice. This is the envelopes for this year's 2022 Lunar New Year. So let me show you what I've got here. Okay, wow, look at that. The monogram flowers right here. It is gorgeous. So let me see. Okay, how do I do? Okay. How do I? Okay. So I think you need to lift. Yeah, I think I needed to take the sticker off for this. Yeah, I think so. Oh, I don't want to ruin the sticker. I don't want to ruin it, but I wanted to show you what's in here. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. Oh, wow. So these are the envelopes. Oh, that is so lovely. So this is the envelope for the 2022 Louis Vuitton Chinese New Year. And it says, this one is in gold. This one is so beautiful. So this is how it looks right here. The front and the back. Wow, isn't that gorgeous? Well, I love it. And then we also have another one. And then this one is in, oh wow, different color. Oh my gosh. Why is it so hard to take this one out? Okay. Right here. Okay, wow. So this is how it looks. So you have an option to which color that you'd like to give out to somebody. If you wanted the red, red is so beautiful with this Louis Vuitton monogram flowers right here. I am surprised. Usually they have all the same pattern, the colors, but this year they will give you an option to do the red and the gold. This one is absolutely amazing. We are very nice. Wow, I'm so happy with this. This one is so cute. And yeah, so these are, yeah, so anyway, these are some of the items that I received during the Chinese Lunar New Year event at Louis Vuitton. And I'm so thankful for my essay's invitation, and he always treated me nice, and he always gave me a lot of gifts from time to time when there's an event. And whenever I need something, he's always there to assist me, and I was really, really lucky for that. And he was very nice, very patient with all the transactions that I have, and yeah, he's just a very sweet and nice person. So I'm very lucky to have him as my sales associate. And yeah, I think that's pretty much what I've got. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and have a happy Lunar New Year. Bye.